Throw some condensed milk into the passion fruit and it'll be perfect for this heat. Guys, I'm going to use 2 passion fruits here. I'm going to grab them and transfer them to a container. The amount of condensed milk, guys, it's up to you. I've used about 200 grams here, half a box. And now we're going to add some ice water. Then we just need to beat all of this really well. Once done, guys, our passion fruit juice is ready. It's just now in a glass. Add some ice. And then add our drink. This creamy passion fruit drink tastes amazing. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. No blender required. You just have to beat it and it's ready. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Sending a big hug. See you next time and thanks.